Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Durable, how to create a website for your green energy and renewable business on Durable, easy and quick. So first type Durable into search. As we know, Durable website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. Also, we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds. So first, let's sign in. Now create your new business. Enter your business name and select your industry. Industry, green energy and renewable. Now enter your location and choose your website language and create business. So now wait a few seconds or few minutes to generate this website. First, let's go to the first section. The first section, this is the header of the website. Here you can change your site name and you can turn this on and upload a file here. Also here if you want to change the label and if you want to add external link. Here if you want to turn this on, open link in new page. And if you want to manage your social link settings, if you want to add the channel and select the type of the social link and here add the link. So let's save this. If you want to add a section, just click here and select any section you want from here. So let's move on to the next section, the banner of the website. Here you can change this, regenerate, and it will be changed. If you don't like the subtext, you can regenerate it also. If you want to change the label or add a new label, and if you want to add a link, so let's save this and let's move on to the next section. This is the image of the website. Can regenerate it if you don't like it. If you want to manage this image position, you can edit it here. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the test of the website. Text of the website, you can regenerate it if you don't like it. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. You can edit it from here. You can change this here. If you want to manage your display settings, you can choose what will be displayed for each list item. Here you can manage your list items and you can add a list item. If you want to regenerate image, here if you want to manage image position or edit it, so like this, here you can generate a title. If you want to generate the content, and here you can edit your type of the writing, and here you can change the label. You can here add the link. So that's it. Let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the testimonial section. If you want to add testimonials from here, you can generate a code. You can generate by who. And here if you want to upload image, so let's save this and let's move on to the next section. This is the gallery of the website. You can change this and you can generate the image. You can upload image from your browser. For example, green energy. So let's pick some images from here. For example, I'm gonna choose this, put it here, and it will be uploaded. So if you want to choose uh, images from here, so for example, let's choose this. Now let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the location of the website. If you want to change this, and if you want to change the business address, and here also you can add additional detail, additional text files, and you can add the title or the content. So that's it. Let's save this and let's move on. This is the contact form section of the website. If you want to generate the text, and if you want to manage files, here if you want to turn this on and custom input labels, if you want to generate form success message. So let's save this, and if you want to regenerate the content of any section you want, just select contents, and if you want to regenerate the style of any section, just select the style. If you want to regenerate the entire section, if you don't like it, just select entire section. Also, if you want to duplicate the section, just click here and it will be duplicated. And if you want to delete, just click on this icon of delete and it will be removed. If you want to move it up or move it down like this. So that's it. Let's save this and wait a few seconds to publish your website. Now, as you see, you can publish your website. Just click here and you can publish your website and get a free custom domain name. So that's it for today. That's how to publish your website, easy and quick. How to create and edit your business website. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.